Anka mayese mupen suku yima ufodi mikobi Anka mayese mupen omanfo time check 8:23 Mayedi kan bedi echi mapo nyina ye jambi Anopai mede nchia pa emu ye den ede mawo na mama wakwaba ede ba Sompa Rhapsody enam Sompa 106.5 FM or say Osmu ya Emma Aketiapa. Sa program is so and you didn't nyansa nim dear ntiasie a eboa obra na yede eba yedin down brabo manisi we. I say obra bia nim dear ni nyansa enka hono. Ibunda esinya sinsa de ye twitwa ne tot na ucho obra about tot sa obra enkwe so na minum sorry pa bring some money try me photo and some mama and then obi frame me say minia Sompa program ya mo ye die say me see one day kwana bibi ya me come to say dai no dia Mama Dickness Jedu our Madina area Matese woye Sompa Rhapsody fan kakraka papa mama wa busy ja I say wono missy ana bibi ya okra mama men missy ampa because what made that and we di be come now they am from wo bia otie Sompa bia no na fi asese me chat na me hu say yes otie ebeboa ebedane abrabo bema online asiye na mo aten kanso onyame ahyehye me say wo bra biara yebua nyansa nka ho eyo bra wi abrojectina funumio nansumiti me come chibie mama beka obi my soul last week near share wonga ain't mean for bonnet and chair for mo self forgiveness ne ho challenges obi a on to me enja adiemu na onfan chene ho akosi aka chen say hey adena nyasi na wo se wonja mu a we just asiewi okobaka you can't even recover it. Now, you best how to handle loss and grieve well. Maybe I'm not 3 years, 4 years, you were jamming. I'm a bonnet with Prame. How do I handle that one because it's Prame? Maybe I'm my age man, my son, papa, no, my son, mamma, now so was separated away. And ono so wajame esimua wambo ame ayame ya waseme bre menya day ebi kura to me grieve phone yira atse na nipa wu Cancer so it's to ya na ensure efa brand bi mi on social media. Ensure ne fa no na fefo ebo no ayi na afri ensure mo no. Wono so tini moto nso ase moto no ma ne moto no nkoda. Kai. Wo kura moto no. Wonja moto no. Ana won so a so ne mo no so wo pese wo je ne nkwa. Wono so oji moto no. Moto no kwa obepra. When na a loss o grivia se brebi ayo ya na hu sane ya obesi manage na fa na wo pra grieving Also, grieving is a natural God-given response to losing someone or something or someone we love. It is not a disorder. It is not a weakness. It is not a failure of faith. It is love with nowhere to go. I say I say unjajo Onyankopon ade ade wura yemu odo a wo ma biribi amana se wo ma nipa onhu ba bia wo de sa odo no beto efri se ade no ana nipa no oni hobio wo se enye yare wo se enye mbreoye wo se enkyere se wogidie enyina pinti ande asoro no de Christopher obebu atese se ya I say your odo enya baby and resting. Every love must have an object. You don't love in a vacuum. When your love has no object, when the object of your love is gone, you agree. There is no right or wrong way of grieving, and there is no fixed timetable to grieve. Obiara in a unique way of grieving. Now, you be guide on how to grieve and grieve well. If it's a grieve in your heart, baby, you know. No, I funeral. Na me ka say sa jumadi wonga eso yasne 21st clinic was a sciatica nyina mukin kono no wono say yare bi oti pains bi efri wo sisimu ande ko oto ase de ko wonamu na ya atwe mimimi na wo ye ho hwe yin no wo se wo no omo ho aduro pa oba ya ombetu nse mutu banche obetu ase efri so completely krama wankasa be hu say yes 21st clinic oma ben almost sciatica originator, sciatica patient, sciatica commandant, sciatica researcher. I just say what people be sciatica there, omo chino, ebrono, etunase, emma nintino, entumi enya root bio. Ehenwo, omo kan tantra here runabout, omo tema behind Roman Catholic Church, omo kaswa, New Market, Bom Road, omo kumase, I here overseas, same building as Sompa omo Sunyani opposite regional hospital, first gate. Omo Tachima OGN Bank building. Omo Kranzania Children's Park. Omo Takwa, same building as Sompa. Omo Takrabi, if you come Manai taxi station. Omo Brikum, Omo Goso, Omo Boise. Hey, the Obayani from Momesne 0540 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 from 21st Clinic. Oma Binseja, sciatica, obetuase edi amount. Neka obi onso se dokumu nyina mu panyini. Panyin di panyini. Wadi dokuno, edi dokuno. Na sa dokuno yi die. When ni bia na je say I say okura na Ghana, I say ye kanka dokuno wonte ase. Just bread and pastry say woman kofare by omodi about just hot kinky e kwan of aso eyesa dokuno yi eye papa e ko baby ani yes e be dokuno me hu say obi din na they say they all market time all market me say market time was then na all to the nine say na all fit more me say yeah am baby fine where dey any answer o debi omo fa kan papa so omo be si afite more no na ya hwe ama borena anye over fermented near the aye dokuno the amount clean hygienic preparation condition where obinya na he just bread and pastry spec ba ko 3 cities e kwan fa so store no so e convenient delivery so e convenient was say obese to be the event and hold wedding cry ma ko wedding na mo bi dokuno I say wow dokuno there afa bi ampo dokuno ana asa kasafu juma ko problem bia obese we bi e de kwa bulk purchases are available then now by the obey and say our location our just bakery domain behind commercial bank Now, what from 0256068832. I say, make your kinky experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot kinky. And the pay imagine by idea, not to say, studying the Bia many Acusia, no, the first part now, a free show, no, eba, Ebeka, a bit about loss. Na yachre obi oha obi hobia osene ni phone naira na phone naira no na me ka say sabi ebia obi kura we fie ho chesa na yura ho ama na ni aso aso etutu na ni etutu kura agu ne nsam ebi say mere bia ira obi wallet me ira ama obafia wa he kuro nya second card be ho na ire ne wallet ira asamen obi Sikabi Afrimu. One day be an army wallet, none of no way at the time. And I'm the wallet here. Hey! Me coffee imagine bomus. Hey, was for grieving. Maybe be some say to say, I say, I say, admit say, I say, menka pay. I reaching an abronia brand anti no, the Abami office. And I'm saying, I got me what. Any panel says, "Kay, you will fat." Because can I move number about €1,000 on a room. Or the first kay, no, they are cockroach. So them say, and you are me who has no other, and I'm on Pise, what is Shame? Naminamua, Namina Boa DB. Milko here, ay, Radia Chabade. Ghana, Uncle back with your dance, Bruni, or fire, no, what they buy. Or buy a pet. Na me grieving in na tutu just say ni je bi ewura me no enti wallet cry ra you can grieve na the enkrofo grieve fa ho pa man titiru wa se me pen obi kwasia me na ye abortion mienu miensa wo se obewa me wan ware me abortion ma ya wie ye se me hu bio every say ba ko de anka me yewu wasisi me. How do you grieve? How do you pick up the pieces? How do you move on? Etiano pay akosia ne me atena se na yebese ye a free show bi na yetie a free akosia ho nsem ben na akosia ewo e ka kire yen ye me ya be ya anyway abukasia anyway sisi me ne tena ye na ye adwuma yesi dan abomu oso papa bio oja me akofa ba foforo me hu how to move on abukasia just a man no kwa no worker maybe so ha me boss abukasia akosia. Good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Because the Dika no, and run here, there was a power, young papa, say Bonsu. Yeah. Oh, boy, papa, and run on any birthday. Dada was able to, and there, Yenam Sompa FM so, and my belated. Yes. Happy birthday. Na Yakacha say, Unyamishira, Unyamiadom, Yamuru, and Tanoso, on Mount Quatente. Papa was able to neba the last born catchery and the Priscilla was able to interesting. Miss me a catchery, sir. Wow. And the catcher,
Papa, I would do say, Priscilla catchery.
Bisa my
eye. Oh, yeah, okay.
And the Priscilla and the catchery. And the Enra. Na, catchery say, catch in the catchery. Yeah. The catch in the Priscilla and the catches on the teachers say, Daddy and Raddy. Na ye celebrate to and run in there. When you miss that, I was only papa. And that was a boost. Oh, he papa. Yeah. Oh, a very calm man, very sweet man. So we shall not. Very sweet man. Yeah. Very, very sweet. Welcome, papa. Adrian, Daddy, and for a count on some pass, we the papa yati. We the papa. Welcome, papa. And 106.5 the OBD. Say no, 60s no, and you know, I just say, by 40 years. 40 years down. You be qua 40 something years. You know,
Amen.
Papa. Akosia. Akosia, have you ever lost something?
Oh yes, Papa. Me kai say, in my late, my friend say, my teenage season, now maybe enter in my 20s. Around 19, 18, 19.
Right.
You share brand TB and also be worry me.
Right.
And now, Oko Virginia, US, on the crowd here, some pakura. And now, also be worry. And I'm so fine, like a young lady, or me too be. Tell me, need done so.
Right.
It was quite a woman was sending me cards. Since the cards and them, Papa made that credit that
and down China.
May you buy a few on them there.
The Bible don't want to
Bible not to actually.
And I want to cast.
And I made a cast now sending
to
Virginia not at that so made in Virginia, US and no crane the kume.
Jesus.
Now me go on now. Maridi Abranti or me papa. Me honestly a friend of Kwabena.
Jesus.
Me cruise am warren so the Kwabena.
Wow.
Ono ye bo Kwabena ye de akwasia to no to the akwasia boade. Original na Kwabena.
That's a nipa ene to no. Efa na kwasi.
Edi kwasi bi efa na kwasi abate da e wo no pa e benada. Eti papa ade wo me ho mani agye menim say afi no ma enter me 20s. Na ma enter 21. Nti I say long distance relationship. You communicate come.
Okay.
Papa me wan next madam fu bi aba. Akosu na wate. Kwabena worry next week o.
Hey. That be wait there no correct. Wait there no correct. Na be akosu no correct.
Akosu wate. Kwabena worry ne ex-girlfriend next week o. Nam say Kwabena be ya. Asa Kwabena no oni ha. E no no so wo US nti. Atrasem bia na obetwa. Obe say otete me ne boy ne nti. Ani ade a obi a long distance relationship for more than 2 years menim say e was hey. That time so na card ni ade ne share down my kese and is online because na Facebook era no it hu nti this will be the catch no say me se hu bet me say wo ware next week.
Hey,
of America be ware ne ex-girlfriend. Papa me wa me say ebedi ni 2 days ama waba no. And now or sending me message say oh sorry say o catch me say and work it because none the parents empty so. Miss me no 2 now one mama man say
by about 2 3 years ni.
And I got 2 days I be worry no send the message be catch me say the parents say enye me no person ne ma me so ompene so enti no ontimi mo na say nothing na dada one can't me no mama tena wa anti 2 days na be worry no because now he was afraid say be a meba ho. Bibi, but it wasn't in my mind. I really wanted to know say no crap because papa na still girl ne beka na menyini o.
No nyini.
Menyini till menya ayi messenger of fresh abrene na ye Ghana Telecom fofu ya ofra na me wofa bi wo so e fra no akwakoje. Nti enye phone. Ya fro sa wo ma time.
No time amba.
E so anu akwakoje wakofa na etawa so ho. Eno na ne ye yusu. Nkoti ya news amete ya ebo mama ne na nti me ma me so omprisu nti ntimi nware nti no me ba be ware nti na me bo mama ne.
Wow.
Unexpectedly.
Wow.
Papa, me sweet.
Wow. Now cars no gugu.
I go cars no. Tell me to go. Oh, Papa.
Hey.
Card na no dey send me na. I love you. I miss you.
Oh.
Thing that has ever happened. Me ne dey be na me comfort no.
Oh.
Me beda me kan anam dia.
Na dia to so.
Me nim baby Bible kra da. Me nim say nyame kra wo wiase a.
So those days no.
Yes.
Now you are falling in love.
Yes.
The power.
Now papa sa feeling no mom brain say element be chemical be no. Dopamine no. And na I say when you say wuti di na kra fro me say card no me fa card ni say ya. Na me kan
kind something
na from your love.
Jesus.
Na watchro.
Wow.
Abna.
Na they are tobo.
Na they are tomebo.
Na bo hana when you come.
Ma kuma fa mada. No asanso no ho dae.
Yes sir. I go say order. Uhuno.
Uhuno.
What you say? Uhuno.
Auntie, and a bema be answer share. Oh, excuse me, please, I have a boyfriend.
Yeah.
Me wo Auntie, obi a share one patrol.
It was almost propose
yes, propose the banana will reject it. Propose the banana will reject it. Me please, I have a me boyfriend crowd near our US.
Wow. Because I was and no crying.
My boyfriend crowd near our US.
Oh, US.
Into patrol back off. Why? Patrol na.
You.
Me wo na papa just suddenly. Enti wa fa ho adwene kwa wo de ka kire me na papa me de mesu kra me nsu ntam
na me nsu ntam na me nsesi me ho na me nkomani
me enter to 22 no a ena news we buy enti papa me money ya grivu ya for some time.
And let's look at that part now
yes.
of unexpected news. Unexpected. Because I remember example. For example, ibi ana o mama o papa.
Yeah.
O manyini edu. Omo baby.
Yes.
O hwese o yare the way yare na kono. Once adina nkasa naturally esisi so.
Yeah, who say baby edu die nipa ne beko. It ense da nye nwanwa because o mama kura wanyini.
Exactly.
Me mama wo 99 years o ana nim say wo kwa no.
O kwa no.
Ono mama ne kura da bi o che wo wu anopa no.
O sorry ase. Oh, good morning. Now be family.
That be family.
Mam ya na me ni no ase o sorry ase. Enti me hu.
Papa would say me na bia onu nya 119 years. Yes, almost da bia de ni be si ayi ho a. So ha twedi ampon. Aye obone bei.
Na me ye.
Me na fofo me ni on ba nyina akọ. Me nuanom nyina akọ. Me sefa me kọ. Enti ade na wo ye me sa. Onu nya me na ekasa ho. Ade na wo ye me sa. Enti na bia uti oboye de betena se a. Ma ye dai. Me maame kọ. Me nua kọ, me nua panifo kọ obi akọ. Me na fofo. Isa kame nko na me wo wiase. Omo tie nyina
me na aden na yem sa
ina na no wose enim no
obi eri mo no
obo
oh my god
me se fa me ko ese da bia na metia na ade ache me menye dai me se me pese me didi biem me se ba num nsuo biem fa unsuo na me se me ko eso be go na ade ache no
e
do de o ka wo wase bo
it look at such a condition
yes enti no de wonim dada so obekọ
but there were nina
papa me say 2 days to his wedding.
Hey,
2 days to his wedding. Many na oma me any yi bia
sign bia
better so nipa we relationship na
I say o fra crown fan
good because who say obi withdraw who say nipa we will withdraw as one but the normal conversation was going on. The normal card na we de ba no de ba. The normal friend na we frɛ ɛwɔ ɛyi ne wɔ fa bi phone so na me kɔ fa no ɛba enti there was no sign.
Wow.
Ti for esus no fa ho adwene a wa plan for more than 6 months say wo be worry or ex-girlfriend no enti papa to be honest with you it me na amam say adai is there anything wrong with me? What is wrong? Because no on girl na jai and obe fa me ansa no na wasan ko na it means say the girl is better than me. You see the mental battle.
Yes.
Nam say it means the girl is better than me. Me musu me may struggle with low self-esteem dada
and away so
reinforce so low self-esteem say and you see we have an enemy who takes advantage. You are nothing. Nobody will ever want you. You hear sad no. Those things you hear those voice basa. So mesu papa mesusa.
Now go so who no. Now some men and nana mo adwene mu.
And some nana madwene mu ne say you are not good enough.
Okay.
And unsem fata.
Okay.
And now obia nso girl na ye girl no better.
You are engaging in some comparisons.
Oh yeah, man, who any positive side bia. Papa, say me no. Man who papa bia wo mo. Ye me who ya ye negative. Na ade bechi wo say o classmate for me boyfriend be hwehwe me o. If you say ye man you are 60 so. Now we boyfriend na fe matena say I have lost my weighty more than 2 years of my life. Na masan kan makai omo bae eyi bae
we bae
kofi bae na me se me mpɛ no we eyi bae me se me mpɛ no we ba me se me wo no ma hye ni
nyina so ko
nyina so ko fefa o nyina so ko nyina new
just wo ko ba kan ye na ka say na dey
me dey me say me say depression
ento obeso na wani ya kese wa sua
say heartbreak the man say when you heartbreak
na ko say okay da ahoro na so
after the heartbreak
ai
tell me I want so that now na munsuo mu I go see bro. I say on museum. I tell you so so that na ade be that ni bebre
bi. I say so foul.
Eti baby ready. Me brother ba ku bi o ka o say onya heartbreak no. O ti bi so na na. O ka bu na aponche na wo.
Okay fufu ena aponche na ewo fufu no obafu show no I swear the rough me say oba ko so dey say ane dey see ye no okoda bia ohun say mati ankwa na echi ano na mati ano ba mo say so no say but the mati na bi ye atete kakra enti ya arrange omo in the
order. You know that
na
even Chiamotia.
The owa kran. Ondu no never ni. Ana wa pa. Enti obekoto koto. O say dio so e cheche.
Aba me there. O was heartbreak ni ba no. Me na e bia no me na munsuom. Me bra ba ko so on de de ba e de. O special da e bia no o ka fofo na aponche na. E wo fofo no.
Why or the woman be won aponche.
Hi. I say all hope is lost.
Oh.
When it does so
oh.
You don't know the way forward.
Oh.
May ye day.
Oh.
Ediana may ye. And like it's like you don't know what to do. You don't know what to. A lot of things are going through your mind at the same time.
Because there were times when you withdrew.
Yeah.
Na
me person make obia. And papa what it did no so say na I don't trust anybody again. I try na me recover I know. Me share me ho den. I don't know how I miraculously me nim gwa nyame fa so.
Oh, heal you.
O ma me get it through but every
also watch it. And I will be converting.
Yeah.
Into something dangerous. Now I release it.
Nti dia to me no adwen bebre ba me tirim. Bonne na ya more when I make a man who papa bi awom eti bonne say okay won so break me my heart won so be ma bi hia won say wo pewa na wa leon no a wo leon na wura mu no na so de awo ne mfe na so de tua ne kasa de kwabena de tua wo kaba and me sabe ye pessimistic minju obi andi
jom ya ni bio
eti when I met my was I don't know what is why are you like this. I don't think it's like I say Bibia and your face. And I say Bibia, you're always looking at the
negative side.
I did be the best boys of baby cranny a bed drew out. Oh, a be a tough fruiter. Maybe a mammy been a bed and I'm saying Shakana Beman. Beman and Shamkola and Tina Mamma Breno. I'm a
negative assumptions. Oh God!
It was a very. I was very. It was very hard. And to me, my husband, Michiano, no, Bitmise, guy, we yeah, but Minjinindi, and he was a Meshada. Na makochemu baby or
right.
Ya suma me say me fan to man koma me se wa me boa.
Okay.
Me ba be so baby she dem wa.
You are all the time on the lookout.
Yeah, me look
for the negative.
For the negative.
And yet the positive.
Debbie.
We should be crowned upon a good.
Oh, Debbie.
You are thinking negative.
Me side the side the name.
Now they are confirming. Say I'm super.
I'm smoking. Oh boy. Oh boy. Eti papa, I became very pessimistic. And I woman so na me kaya na misu.
Wow.
I tell me him say my healing me home him say my grief worry me move on but once that could be
na be a trigger.
Na wakai na wa waste your time nti wa anya na hwe wa anya na hwe afa de me ye madwen say me nya me be nante kakra na anam so oni ma me mompa ye ntia no
Make a choice on balance of the idea. When Yanni Babia, I had a unique
Papanti, me say, you see, you meet me to any pasoka. You see, you meet to any
pie.
And then you may have been in the Ben and TD. Any, some catching is a brand and a doyer, meno.
Won't you come on a cat?
O man, what you nungu?
Aye.
Oma like oma chese any me bomb sampire no e dem say me kwaso na sofu bi say wa ye obi ade a ahye obi abegina na me mompire ma wa wo hwe ni mu say bone beto no agrada be pa ni tiri be pai brana me mompire ma na de wo kan nyame nye.
But I could look at that part. You see why pastors we have to be very careful.
Yeah.
If I say yes for him, sorry. Now may you call it for a prayer.
A prayer, yeah.
Say maybe see a bumpire obia or manipulative. Now I you are deponing. Call fire against the person. Oh, sorry, I'm a weapon. Sorry, no obi honoma. What can we do here?
Yeah, yeah. Obi a do it more.
Sometimes when I'm calling, I'm yeah. No, I didn't. Yeah. And then just I say yeah. Oh, we are banning some. Well, the could be come by Bobina. And if I say
yes, yes.
Osafo, and then make couldn't pay.
Yeah.
Hey, are they?
And Paibono.
I'm buying. Me couldn't be deal.
But it will pay. Papa on himself no Sompa Rhapsody.
Aye.
Made the elder Dixon or a former drug addict.
Right.
Koda prison and so obekan ye no obi frey. Or friend was an open me could deal with Mama Mejai. Sompa Rhapsody, Mama. Men was Adentina. I have the ODA. Papa may send it to you. I'll send the nose Adentia. Or so a baby Oceana or Babako. Wafa Kodana send it back. Eddie Kodana to school move from 1 year to 3 years. One of them bank transfer Bobra or one what to say, girl no new be anyam.
Whoa!
Girl no be anyam. Enti or Fred again and again each chat to a chain or bear admitted I only bear my fronium. Or shep Bawabon Hoka. Said was sending it 10 years and soon yana diantino. Papa only mono so I dream about it. Menra. Messi I will send the messenger my place and send yama or say. Or Beko Chroma Cucumber mano. Ha! Now the Obana quadrus who corny aquadanation yem.
Wow!
And Junior Banitino. Now, oh, tears from Sompa Rhapsody. Elder Dixon or community tema, Church of Pentecost, evangelism district leader. And all can say, as some now say, you know, and no, and na, a ma, wajai. And also, how many years? Also, more 27 years. Because what they say, or back in prison, as someone say, tell them go to prison and say, Nebay. And afraid, Elder will say, the Macaninti, Majai. Papa was here, I abandoned it, say, Bearmana, because Papa Kaway, Bearman, why day? As was in Coco Bearman or no Banayamno. Virginia Bannitin. It is sometimes Papa lost now some common only in a hunya, a Tulibia say, I dear be toa, a genie about him, and near fought him, Papa. And was Monsieur no 27-year-old man. Was in your Sompa Rhapsody in a wood tia. Equa bona gene pose, boy no, or Beco Kuno. If you say, na akwala obano sono watone dro amo ni akwada na hye ne yam nyina wo mawu.
Wow.
Eti papa ye won krofo bebra obi aye omo bone omo lusu bibi aha wo mo obi sa obi say there no so ni meja mako hye aseda gunu so thought that came.
Yeah.
And no say papa makasa daachi bi sa honhom no omo kasa bu ye dim no ya.
Yeah, maybe expect me about studio, huh? This month, yeah, be dig come on the power.
Yeah, Papa.
No, it's very interesting.
At the end, immediately the thought that came, they say, Uncle, na Uncle Kumberman. That thought on the paper free.
Yeah.
They are tossed to be him. Obanon so unfunding quadrus, no one come near Quadanation Yemun. Papa him said, one yene. Akrana now so open now for what 3 years no. Say mammy wua debi enoma. Adenya adena nipa na ye na ahye no. Adena o say aye ne ya. E papa esese wo boa ye because abrabo we me papa Matias say wo ye den obi be ya de be ye wo ya.
Obi be brown.
Obi be ya de be hyew.
Obi be brown.
Obi be disappoint. Obi be betray. Adamfo bia waka wasema che ne betimi
obi
betimi atwa ato so
obi be sheda pa
oyire betimi agya watata ma wadwuma
papa be sheda
wukuna wo ne na bre afa na sika ba ne nsem obetumi akase nne wo kai me hu ana makai ohia na me
were you to twene
eti me mpe me kofo ba fofo
ai
papa na etoyen a papa so wa moan a etoyen ya adwene ya na ba
ne ya fire team no
enya fire team ne ya pese ye nipa de ya pese ye na at that time no
hey
de pese ye at that time no papa se ye kase ye ya
I say what you
what you dey
I say I remember I say maybe preaching to pray I say maybe I say David I say me insist say when pray me preach
hey
I say madrin na say I just say ade wa ye me yaw no ana
and the woman ti was say on pie ti say won preach
and na kwan say onko ono so stop on pa
aso ba do so
aso ba do so and you na so enye begu no wo so onko aso no yes for na de enti on so on preach wo free ho no obi make preach and aso man so say eh dey see me obi nko preach na so for free onko
so nko dealing with the trauma and the pain and the hurt eti papa me ye besre say obra no oyawdie wom wontimi control nipa bi
baby
eye wonko na betimi control hu
that's right
eti se bibi si a eye men hwe nipa na woye wade ni bebre
that's right
enhwe enu bebre ma focus no enko wo bebre ema focus no na wo ye mi sei na me kunu ye mi sei na me yire ye mi sei na me sofo ye
don't overdwell
yeah men hwe de nipa no enhwe ni bebre dan mirror no bra wo so dan mirror no bra wo so na busa ho sei ade atumi me de ye dey
that's right and because there's something we call lament lamentations
okay
Bible no kwadwom there's mention lamentation I said briefly and on say because you are some to
yeah
there are 3 potential places you can locate the air how number 1 and they say be locating within yourself until you blame yourself you blame the say man idia man ka say ye ebia me ye say anka nc you engage in all forms of gaining and self-blame. Number 2, you blame others or you talk to others.
Yeah.
And tobacco being chain. Now, I can say, I am a and ask what blaming the person 1 hour year. The why me 1 hour year. It also means some and I the best. You go to God.
You go to God.
And even a lament.
Oh.
So lament means that you carry the trouble.
Yeah, to God.
You go to God.
Yeah.
Then you radically become honest.
We can't create change.
Every adia kwesi di yemi ayeme ya eprame egumani mu ase
yeah
na ama me hu egufi na me pese me yebitia no me pese me ma ne bre wo de dia pese
wo pese o yebia wo de ka kire nyame on de obetimi akonteni oya big enough
exactly
to contain we can na
enti me pese me bra no me pese on so of feel say Sadi your year, and make good for Miss Cassindi.
Yes.
Now, oh, Cassa,
Extreme,
now, Wakasa. Now, what you are doing is that we born a woman. And you bring it before God. Now, and you trust that once I walk Cassa, someone, Namieti. Now, I'll say, then some, and I return you. That's lamentation.
A powerful papa.
And lamentation is in terms of David. He was lamenting a lot.
Well, self-talk about
lamenting, not lamenting.
Make another now.
Are they? Oh, this sorry, not
yeah, one no team says self-talk with you.
Oh, yeah, pa.
Oh, yeah, psychology.
And sometimes it's good to lament.
Yeah.
Ama one can send me bri and chirinipa. If so be a walk some channel. Na odi eje gum
yes
na ko say na atego me
na kamia
kame kuni be ma
yeah ampa yeah
edi me ko na magini tu efinisem na ham ho ha ba ya kanta hwe ho
afutu bonni no de be ma
odi amawo ana obi ho a obe hye okutupa aka say na ko say na hoje mu hey ada ba
me de kamia say na kamaye
yeah enti the danger of extensively consulting people. And it's hard.
And it's hard, you know.
And the only catching crop say, when you are going through trouble, 3 levels, not the first. One kasa one
yes.
And self instruction. Number 2, pe obi a na
dwene do.
Now
any komo betu.
Number 3, go and lament before God.
Papa steps ni na powerful. Papa yensa nko back.
21.
So obi ye wade na
ya.
Ahyew. Epraw. Adwumboni bebreba wuti. E kan nkokora na nipa na oboni tu abu. Ene saa de na wo se ma miensa.
Ona kwaduro so akoye na de. Ne ma miensa dikan se wona ho eni nko.
Ene ho ni nkomo.
Gina mirror no wo ayewoya.
Jitum sa ahyew. Epraw.
Nipa no se dia se wanya field day.
Go ani ma se. Mama me wura ho. Mama ye se Jimmy fo.
Mama lusu na wa Jimmy na onam.
Ane nyina ya.
Na ka kire ho se. Nanso enkechi. Then move to the next level.
Yeah, because she's open your beer na dwene mu do.
Kwano wadan for indi nkomo na oma wo adwen pebi. Na akọ. Na no so ahye nkran. Ofiri ho a
kwa nyame ho.
Na fi kan sam ni nyine ko nyame anim.
Samatin kamu yare. Sami yare na Papa so say he came to heal the broken hearted.
Exactly.
Enti yewo yibi wo ho a ono ko na betimi nti if he came to heal the broken hearted dia no nim say yakoma bebu.
That's right.
Enti ono wo kwan bi so a obetimi ahyehye. God has a way of giving you a perspective.
That's right.
Of the same Papa.
That's
nobody
right.
On earth can give you
no.
I've realized you went before God. I feel ko catch say na. I feel do papa ya wie no. Na wasam wo hu ade no.
Bia wani wa dwiri.
Sometimes you thank God for the person. Yeah, na fe wo de nyame ase for nipa no.
Me say,
it's a very mysterious papa.
My father was a very compassionate man.
Papa ehuma bro.
Na e wona ho pa. Me say, so be ye madia na hye me pa. Na me yam hye no.
Emme nipa no.
At a point no. Obo say me yam hye no. Say enipa de oye. I say we nyanti ase. One tini me bi ase. Na we nye nipa handling.
Yeah.
And when me dey. Na me yam hye mani pa no.
Yeah.
The entire I am say me be psycho me beti ase kozua. We are all liable to errors.
Yen nyina from so we ho.
Yenso ya ye obi da.
Yeah.
Yenso ya ye obi bone da. Entiti asema Yesu kan no. O say fire fun so cheye.
Said ye de che won na.
Said ye de che won a.
Ofum ye no. Nti wo so wafum obi.
Wafum obi.
Yeah, because we nipa no nko ade.
Exactly.
Wafum obi.
And now the priest can ha say. You are the offended, but sometimes you are the offended.
Ye no kre papa. E no kre.
Obi tumi ye bone tia wo. But eri baby nso a won so.
Utimi ye nipa bone.
O ye nipa bone.
Yeah.
And say obi di bone. Obi ye obone. Na wo dwene ho ana eye susu dwene bone na obey no.
Yeah.
Evi say won so.
And from someone who yeah.
Why you be bone pa?
Yes. It's because who na wonam won when you perfect.
You are not.
And when you
are not.
Immediate study we can come yet. Hey, your baby. When you say crown about your baby,
because you obey West.
We in the pankwa dear. We in the pankwa.
So you are the offender, but you can be the offended.
Yes.
And every BM no. Yana what I didn't phone you say. Because I can say me say. Obi any baby and functional do say. You are a being with limitations. We nipa omre
we nipa omre ye.
Na me kasa number 2. You are living in a broken world.
And
na me kasa number 3. You can't control all things.
Untimi man yema bi ankosa de wusi pe no.
Exactly. So when you sante asem yensan yi.
Ho betaw.
Oh, akusia.
Ho betaw. Ene mebu wa wu kura betwam te sem frama.
Madam fi de ka say me yin frama bono kama na bon.
I say who nya hu. Oh. Yes. Who nya hu.
Obetum odi ya anako.
Who nya.
Oya ebetwam.
Yeah.
Oya ebetwam. Omo say oya 1, oya 2, oya 3, oya from say so be say won say na me kwa na me.
Yeah.
So there's a time you yourself.
Yes.
Dear wo ye no. You begin to think say no, I don't think that.
I'm
wasting my time.
Because I'm so baby
Because you may say, okay, the next 1 minute, catch up for saying. Woman, grievia, they have overgrieved. At the bit 7 years ago, 6 years ago, 1, 2 years, 3 years ago, people are having crisis in grieving, complicated grieving. If it's on your not gonna say, he will let the thing go. Minjamuda, obi say on your betray. On the betray, and if I know who was saying, I'll be welcome to know. Obe welcome to know. I say a honor, a had your woman yankopon. Now, how do you do what? Or no, friend yankopon say, if you're meeting him. No media, some assembly, and you know. Oh, there's no chance. Wait. As the child say, I was on one Casamame. Papa, your best say, Cassia Pa say, Papa, me who say, Woony Pounds, we had the Massini, and from so. That's right. Dear Tosumi, you will be a sea shassi, a norma, so be better one answer. Tia Siesa. A norma, a young one, and you're out of this world is so betray war. And you're out of this world, they say, will be promises so about warrior no acquiring X. And you're out of this world. A cabra bonaho. Tia siesa. It is a unya santia sienua. A buona dear tosubi and bibia toa. O grivu kakra. And maybe papa can say my whole time in grieving. Mumma whole time say, I deal with my emergency mesuna watching. But I'm watching the chamua. I'm gathering my means 1 week. But after 1 week, and I make gather me who be na me busa me ho se me masa de we nse me masa de we ense me mema na ye mi na matena se na me busa me ho se is there any role be a me play ye e ma sa de yi ba ya na oh baby wo ha na me ye naive na baby wo ha mama mani ana ho ana next one lessons be na metimi anya de free way I be boa me the next level. It is obi anyame na ochina onyame biem. Right. Eti papa sa wo gada sa lessons te boa ma wo ho he ha wo kakra. E ma wutimi tutu ana ma oyiye ma ditimi boa. Eti e besre betrayals, gossip, slander, disappointment, heartbreak. Ye wo wiase ahwase wo ye hu hwie nye ye wo betimi akasa wo be ye ni papa but I mean in control so wo be make that decision to be a good person. You can decide to be a good person. We be a man or a woman of integrity. But the other person, no, you don't have power or control. The only decide so be. You need power, you need control. I will bet me a send the Panama Bepotene Abraham. Make room for people's mistakes. Make room. Oh, make room for people's mistakes. Make room. When you see any pabia who say, Papa bet me a friend in Mwaba. That's right. And a bonus bet me a friend. That's right. Fast Anthony me and Nasa. Hey, that's right. Fantomani me. Papa Panquansa no. Fantoma Papa Nasano. Never born in Sukurum. It's a free haba. Send the party. Anybody, I can nip party. Banam Nims and the base. Eti papa make room, make room, give you grace. So what sorry I was who ko adwuma he taxi driver bi trotro bi ayi motor rider bi bede suban bi edi wo kwan mu ho expect it. E ma nye surprise ma wo so na no pa wo so benam Accra road yi a wutie so mpai so wo ye trotro driver taxi driver hey motor bi beba be cham expect it. It's said be enya wonwa bebre to make room for people's mistakes. Papa Emma say mistakes in the bar the weight of the effect embedding wadwini bebre right because who nim say bibi sent what the kind of grace papa be catch them say papa one was sorry anopa na we say ready and then me nim ne obefo medical do mo bone ya in advance. And I'm so strategy near wow. Was when you're sorry and a project forgiveness ahead. I don't know Nipa Mikoshiano. And maybe from in advance it will be a bonny at Mediano. It is Safa Media. It is all piano. What would do the Abba? My bomb medical fireman. Oh, I like that approach. So I think it's I like that approach. A lot into Mommy Abdum, give me grace. I'm a quad because I know say me nipa ekoye adwuma will be better. Me nipa nanti die. Me go to the car dia fa ekwan mu die. Will be any better. So right the be betimi akanye bi. But Abasa help me to forgive in advance. Wow. It will be obey me bibia bia. Medical do bobo ni nyina. Ansa na bone no aba. Wow.
Yeah, and sana bone no aba.
Wow.
It was just to say it's part of the world near one because we are in a
wow.
They're making room for because
mistakes.
You cannot control others. The only control we want to.
That's right.
If you make a decision, say, as for me, I will treat people well.
That's right.
As for me, I will live a life of integrity.
That's right.
As for me, me yes, bear me yes, me no, bear me no.
That's right.
Me need control or more so, but
That's right.
whatever comes, no,
that's right.
I give grace in advance.
Ebusafo ekosiana just say fire no. Oja. Egusia anope ye das papa omanfo makacho say free show idea unya ne bebia o ena Sompa program yi unya ne bebia e happen na obenya no Rhapsody no if ye tena sasade a na say nyansa nimdie enim say ne obi o market otie yen enim say ne obi kwa adwuma office otie yen enim say ne obi tikem otie yen. Listen, your life can get better. Ebusafo me twa me ho frede me ba. Are you giving God the glory? Hallelujah! Every day you wake up shouting, my business is not moving. Customers are not coming. But look, my brother, my sister, who are you deceiving? Have you smiled today? Do you have the confidence to smile? Your face alone is chasing people away. Yeah! We all know that the problem is not a spiritual problem. The problem is a dental problem. She was saying, use Pepsodent charcoal toothpaste to remove yellow. Somebody shout amen.
Craft your smile with Pepsodent charcoal. It removes stains and whitens teeth. This advert is FDA approved.
Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries is sick. Just hot kinky. Dokunonua. Ye di yellow corn vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more to dokuno mountain so. And no more to etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuno sevo wo ho a. Wo de frey. Na ye customizing amount. Se the wusi penny bia. Protein opese de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obi say just hot kinky and noa and ye disable ya wo just bakery e wo dome commercial bank in Chenwa and fraying and was 025 60688832 na yen customize your orders ne ma never sebo wo se de wo se pen pepe just hot kinky and ye hot.
Yaba, I Sompa delight. Yediabro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha, so Frobi, Nobi, so Frobi, Nakachani say, Abna Ruthie. It was Sompa 106.5 FM. Or the Sompa delight, Abro. Thank you, baby.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano ewiye brim. And am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya won wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro nyankopon kasa chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda ni na share radensa. Na erade beye.
Minya baby from it to be conquer be man chat sabe. Untie mafutu se aka everybody na sanaja aka everybody na sanaja Rasani mamba wa untie mafutu se akona Akaba famunya sapa. Akaba famu mwakira. Mama nyama kesho. Na do nyame kwa. Nyame se wa so bi wa bi nyo biara baba wo je wa te. So bi wo. Nyame kwa me. Na do nyame kwa. Ya kopi amejani atwa. Ya kopi amejani atwa.
Menumi hopa. Anka mayese mupen OJ medasi se waje metata ewosa Sompa Rhapsody ene time check 9:20 minute Presla Osai Bonsu Atanase afei systematically from one step to the other yebeboa ne yahye wadwene watenka ene onte ase efa opura efa a grieving oyende say obi asem bi ato na wo grieve ana wo dwajo o twajo ana se bi araho. How do you manage it? What is grieving? Obecheyen sani erebia me catch them no a psycho biblical perspective ena yediba adie so e de twere kakra ena yedi science psychological science kakra ena yediba ama de yehunu research mo no ya the scripture and so e kafa ho enti chiban sa radio yi 106.5 FM sewa share link no oko Facebook a behu ye ho na copy link no na share na obi enso enya binti obi wo adwum sa ri beboa no obi wo fie sa ncherechi ebeboa no Presla Osebonsu memo akwaba
yeah eja
Presla papa did the birthday and ra
yeah
na how does it feel to be the last one now papa aiding the birthday?
Oh, my papa dear, why a very good example, mama pa.
Okay.
Intimida kusia ni team ni na sefo enran yo moye man.
Right.
Yeah. He always pushes you.
Okay.
Debia mekai se me wie university first degree na minim de me nye adwuma na se me nye den.
Right.
Osiko school. Osiko school.
Eja papa no.
Debia o hwe kwan. Se me no na me na cramp we fina say debia go forward. Sa not here. I'm very privileged to be neba and last born so meaning it's not longer than my siblings.
How does it feel to be a last one at the same? Maybe so discouraged. Maybe a last one. Maybe but oba we last one. How does it feel?
Okay, last born day, but a juma so because
then I don't idea ben
oh say last Monday you'll be a also. And Aunyani easy, relatively easy.
Okay.
And Aunyanu, one of the things I mean, examples. Inti Bianca meti wo baby no.
Oma director.
Oma director me. Na sika so de mejiwa na mejiwa.
Wenya. Meka chonu you memo bia mask.
But say sika de mebi, say de menyi. We saw no dear mekaya me pe we me
oh now we are to talk.
Ai no my
papa.
It's a rama here we nti.
Okay.
No my nti but ejuma no so wo me na me see ni socks na ejuma me ye no. Me handkerchief ne socks.
Okay.
Ya chiche ejuma nti me na me ye say ejuma no.
Okay.
But they be because me ne it na so nti o kan sem chere me. O kan sem chere me no chere me.
That's one of the things I hear as last month,
yes.
Papa, only me ding come pa.
Only me ding come me na me sumi yini timano. Timi ne ma bebre.
No, so no see Papa.
Hi, timi yini oni timi bebre. Timi hwe level na e wona.
No e twa
na de funu. Na me ma nti eti abontin.
Right.
Na ye jim fama. Me abon koma. Me papa so de wa onim elder say bu so na nyame asem ne de obua no pa wie nyumre obedi it's morning devotion here. So I'm so grateful for his life.
Amazing.
My father is my hero.
Amazing. And Chibia in Pentecost no you be celebrate men's week.
Yes.
And
yes.
that I was able to we a hero.
Yes, so happy birthday to him.
That's right.
Happy 66th birthday.
66 years. Wow. Hey, Daddy.
And also no chemi aduane.
Your father had culinary skills.
Your chemi nema bebre.
Wow.
So happy birthday to him.
Wow.
And I'm grateful for his life. Mini nina, I can say happy birthday. Thank you for being a good father. God bless you.
By now Obi me. Listen, and ne na what you there anyway, no. Yeah, be grieving and handling a loss. Will be a losing a wallet. Won't mean that. Or be boyfriend a journal in the middle of their relationship. Or a mammy bin the kunu a starting a brand or mama for papa no say fidie. At voice be say mammy no crano a young future. Into Kujama, I mean, now four no. Mammy no jano, there's a loss. Or be a losing health. Nanka no hoarding. Corona in the Juma. If you are be a besino. Want to mean combat. Or no being so mana at to be a man in your beard. And tea a young say, oh God, what is this? Brisla, only in income.
Me da say grief dear. And I say wa hri bibia wudi hu abobo no e normal. That's the first thing me person make I say hunu say why boni bia na say wonye strong.
Okay.
Enti omo ya omo ka chen ko say hye ho den na de bibia no maye nye sa. Enkofo ko bibi mu a it's normal say ubesu hu ube experiences pain no. It's not a disorder. It's a mental health here. Come say also we meet some criteria be answer. You who say bibi say in how no. So it's not a disorder, it's not a weakness, and it's not a failure. And it's obi lose bibi. Tisa ko say kind of pain. Obi si obe ware o. Na afedie. Wasisa ne ho 2 days to the wedding after or so waru man. You are not a failure.
Right.
Because you cannot control the person.
Right.
Enti obi lose bibia na bibia hwena or di ho abobo na so osu ho no. It's not a disorder, anya yare.
Okay.
Anya weakness on the omredodo. In sometimes here can Ghana hanu. And it's not also a failure of faith. Say maybe only GDA. Asema tu we ma shon hodin patcho debi. It's not that. It is just that dobima adie na wa hwe no. And I think everyone sense it say hu ni abede obeye hu whether being a human being and say bibia esomobo maybe wo hwehwe kwan say adwuma bi anka wo pese nka wo koye contract bi anka wo hwe no on sanka. It's a loss. It's also to me a grieving because maybe one na the days, maybe weeks, prepare on interview or call ye nema wo ye senior beya on sabeka sadie. So grief is natural. And when I'm a person it's here for a who an say it is natural. And grief no say wo dia bobo no ye dia wo atenkana wo experience wo mu no and some ba wa dream the thoughts you have. And no, and a grief no. Na normally no ye carry san mana. It's like, a date in a day a jiwe a to me. I didn't know ye me sa. Obia menene nama me trust no. Kambese menene e komenim eye bibiano. Afedi ready or dia
me.
Into the thoughts, the feelings. Untimina. Assembly and then I grieving.
And I grieving. Okay.
Bibi also a friend morning.
Okay, and also a day.
Morning New Year say Ghana has say first will be free one.
That's right.
Won't say, oh, now the red.
Tomato.
Abofio.
Okay.
Now you na start share black.
Right.
Yes, you will be crying and shout, my dear.
Right. Those physical expressions.
Physical expressions, no. Aha, nanko for Befio, but Shiani at the end of the morning. And on a chase a BBS. Ah, yeah, the year soon, and I said, the Yamanko who say, I said, my actually, that is morning.
Okay.
And a bereavement, so bereavement, no, yeah. The state a woman, a chase, Bibiato.
Right. So we have
Obiewu, and I say, Bibia, then I did one event and say, Obi, about insurance for Biba, and I say, a Simbi Kessia to Obi. You know, ya kidnap you, Biba, and I be I know, I know a day or two, you know, only back on states no woman, to be a woman, and on a cheap bereavement, especially Sony Pacono, actually, baby. But the person make my 1840 as I said, there's no right way.
Okay.
A quite be now say, so be woo, and answer will be I was say, we should say, I was a who did one bobo say, there's no right way. Or wrong way because
no obi bia una also no yesi onsun yi
obi are different wo mami wo ye no we di 40 years obi mami wo ye no we di 10 years o story anyone back on the story no enye the same so that your love for that person no unique say na me so me love for oni back on unique obu a oni ne papa na tina all in life. And to say, Papa, who are send your sibe grievy fano. Wow, we know Papa Antina for long, no, and yet the same. And it's all the one bobo, and answer, oh, ye be say, and how they be no funny way, Pacho. There's no right way of grieving. And when we say it's grief, and as we share, they know, do one, but it's me complicated, and no complicated grief for her. And I have one corfona. Omundi areho emroso ewo ho but untimi nche nipa kwan a ewo so grieve ade enka se ye nna ne pa adwuma ena wanya nti endi areho bebe unnim preparation ene niema odi komu a ene die nti a o susa esu maybe kra no ka adwuma ne ye ne dia enso obi ko ka ne ho asemboni bi anything no share ade no
okay
enti Prof we say the dynamics of every loss is different.
The dynamics of every loss
is different.
Just say enema ekoso so bi hwere ade na ne were aho ana asasem to obi na ne were aho a enema esisi a ema ade ni siye no different from various other ones. And teacher so you say assembly ne ho nsam nko.
Yes.
Right.
And to want me nka say na nko na obawu. No.
Ti honi bio.
Nko na obawu.
Ai, ya na nkofo ka. Na nko na obawu na me de jansu.
Yes, papa ya Nancy asem tu ya ni mamienu.
Yeah.
Aeroplane crash.
Right.
So obawu na fans or yare and other hospital for some time. Untimi enfa entutu sa papa we so dia.
That's right.
Because ono alusu nipa mienu at once.
That's right.
Wo we lusu baako. Enti se maybe odi areho anaso ye neme bia. Ye man crofo room. Let's give people space. Na enfa obedient to obedient ho. Se wo ka bibi se ebe buo nipa kwana asem na wo ka no. Make sure se wo ka to help the person. Se ne be ya maybe areho no odino emme manu nya yare bi anase manu meye emme break it down but I will kana ka say o chen ho dodo bibia no isen pacho ma yenye ne sa because every loss is different and a loss so is more than just funerals anase obi ewu.
Okay.
Bibia atu obi a etimi shaking etimi pusu no is significant etimi monipa ko grieve. The death of a loved one broken relationships
right.
Obini obi awari.
Obini obi awari anas obini obi relate
20 years. Maybe we done for na relate 30 years. We yonko brebo no. Na asem baya.
Wechi. Nanka would you cry and send coach you and him crank hanya wo yaw. But so one man will benefit of the doubt no.
No I walk away.
And no na yaw ya. Senka at least me no 190 den ka wonni me.
Ayiwa ma.
Bisa me cry say dey na see.
Ayiwa ma.
One man sa akwenya no. You can grieve that loss say hey. As me see na I me say. It's broken relationships. And so yeah major thing.
Okay.
So obi na pomudin a failing no. And ka ono okono
about me jan na so ye adwuma.
Start here adwuma ya o hwe for me. Ontimi enyina ne nan so. Say your man diagnosis be cancer.
Ai!
Nechi, o si nechi ya na oko hospital.
Yes, when you cancer. Such a devastating news.
It can also be loss.
It's a loss.
Enti wu femu a. Yes, here the ento wa da. You don't know what someone is going through.
Exactly.
And you know, someone can also grieve, you know, health and ability. Say bibia, say na pomudie aso ate. And a work. Home. A jato be fie. And we china na me read this story be about a very popular journalist for Ghana and say, and oka say 35 years ago, and a ja a tom fie no musa. And a sister, and him a shishi. And they were, or none sister, not true story about 35 years ago. Near 2, no, I think the sister was about 5 years. And see, somebody can lose a home, job, a juma away, why a juma 10 years, 20 years. Crisis about ye wedi. And see, grieving no, and yes, only back nipa wunkwao. Enyema timisisia a man kofede a grievy pa. Obu also untimi wo reproductive loss. Owo bako onya accident untimi wo biem. Anase on worry ye nso untimi wo. Anase oyare ye onya accident bi afedie untimi enwo. Into reproductive loss, miscarriage, infertility. What try years, 10 years, 20 years. A woman, it is a loss. And people can also grieve that. Dreams and identity. You see, Sononka, 20 years, you had a lot of dreams.
I know you come on some.
My yes, some pain. You who dance as a young person now just obey say, worry, oh no, you obey say, worry 2 years now, you. Oh, firstborn, woo ye. And you don't quite know you, or near Colani na ewu. Maybe no him twins, or money na ewu. How do you recover? Send a bear with me a free salary.
Mr. Son, Mamma, men can't be okay. It was for that part of Priscilla Yabano, very powerful. And Besamuti, Nipa. Dreams and identity. Say we see obraso with your brass. Na wo edi baby da wenim obese we footballer, obese we a lecturer, obese we software, obese we engineer, obese we pilot, obese we nurse. Eyana sa dream sa dyson any idea you want. They create a certain sense of identity. And my say we are already walking in it. And they will say akrabi oha o nyini na e na de say obia obey doctor. Na obonso a odi agro no akɔhwe ketre na ɔse odwa no ɔse ɔyɛ sɛ ɔse nyina no create a certain form of identity for the child. And akrabia ɔse onyini obey sofo and the most original who preach their dreams. Now a sunset baby or bremu ekohwi asani amane ni sane life's challenges the difficult no bunsa ade no na apaska afonse. And many people are grieving the loss of dreams and visions and identities. Oh, mundi oye And to be sent make me a day. Make me a day. So if you are one of those, this session is for you. And the next couple of days, we're going to tell you something. Listen carefully. It's never too late in life. And you're late to die. That's the mistake and the lie that others will tell you. Say, oh, instead you're makechi, won't catch that. You are grieving that loss, but some energy now, would you grieve that loss? No, we are going to help you to convert that energy into mobility, into a new dream, into a new vision. If one vision fails, God will always give you another opportunity to rise above the storm. And to everybody who feels that there be a prawa atraswama, you lost your dream, it's not late. Just follow me. You're going to learn some things.
It's all lost in Yama with me a na say Juma relationships, say Apumudin in Yamanina. Me persist for soon bibia ye cano ambiguous loss.
Okay.
Ambiguous loss near Yamabia Esia. I say, Senia, who bets me Esia at Nya Muntia Sia Crat, say maybe Obiaira.
Right.
Obua, Wayera for years.
You must so Tiasio.
And see, I bibi basa, just say, closure, unya bibi a bets me and chose say, Senka maybe me banny woo ye no, or Yari and Tino woo ye, listen, Tiasia be one. But wait, dear, or castle or court. Ejumaba 10 years ni ye hu obi ayare say addiction be a one so
no send your banner say ya fai
when ya dementia be na adwimu akana kakra enti sa loss ne bi eno susu wo ho enkrofo e pra wo ho pa e was yetimi kan wan say my tie for enya santi ase ena bibi so e kan disenfranchised group me unim de eto me
president men come as me na native monti me you know na baba mami odwan bi na odwan na onyem ena car ball no aka ne ball no e ma wo no ba like forced labor nti odwan no we o wie na mami ni we ena me na meja de mami say menhwe odwan ba no nti me tu ndi say odwan ba na me brothers if in cramba me last one thing na omode over 10 milo ne milk ni ade na makọ wie bi milk no na me de ma odwamba no milk me wie ma na nti onyi tuku na metene so na me ne ko grazing say na olmai adwumbo ne abanatim obese ode odwamba twa so bro nya bi ba na obese okuno menso no dwamba yi maye so attached to dwamba ama all ben okra che say meda ho sa no dwamba na abeda me ho na oregagitati opusa na medimiti ato no so na wanyini be ma na ne men akwakwa che say mendenje fans pa da kro meni ho me ba ya odwamba wa efunura wo man we kuno er na ye ayen kwan che say and obi tia me na say kwame ogwamba ne nam de no hwa me ye depress o we disenfranchised grieving ebini yo me pet aboa no abaye me pet me dwan me ye ma yese mbere no ena me ye ma yese mekuno me ol ma say wanyin no nti e was ekuno na okuno and the president how can they no krepa disenfranchised obi pet me wu na why very hurt na yenga e twa na je no join there na obi can maybe you marine na da so think about it. It's a disenfranchised grieving ampa president no ye bua no
okay
enti no can 1 minute can me NBA lines no na amanfo any ninko kakra na ya ba beto so.
Okay, me person me kafa ambiguous loss ne disenfranchised grief ne say normally no ye hu
you pay attention
hidden enti me say so be elusu bibia enya wo na oba be kire
right
the degree to it and assessing your own pakwan in sufa because yes and you're not the first person I will lose baby
right
but I don't know say yeah because maybe no I try for 5 years
right
so obeying say
right
means buy after 8 weeks I say I said the dynamics of every loss no different and you know yenya abutrema nipa na ya allow people to grieve na go to a send by a pie or complicated grief no
right
nti the callers for so beka
okay ebusan for president makata say wa bin say ja or shit enti no enem na efisa topic yas nti be say tie mo pa enti numbers no 0260-1960-64 0260-1960-65 first caller about line also.
Hello, Prof. Good morning.
Good morning, Auntie. Na okay, yankase.
Pastor, where they are not saying that my son and someone more.
Oh.
The woman is going to and I am Papa. Sometimes we do so. I don't go to me. This will be a for power, but and then woman. So, they say we are so for Banner Crata. To make some will call. I'm a straw banning the rest of our training. Not a year. I'm a bomb fire, so I'm a shepherd and any more calling in a box.
Hey,
yeah, no. We are sometimes to put it's really an enemy. And she said, the video one, I said, or dear, I did him an year. Wow. Yes, I am so. To me, a different country. Yet I must say, oh, my sister, and my young said, I didn't know it's bound to happen. I say,
Amen. Hey, Uncle for Brambo. And I'll say, or the Macopa, where the Macoyaka. Second one. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
I got them.
Hello.
I got me what you.
Major so and Major when you.
Me pacho. They need to party. I she was over Canada.
Hey. Where they are no shit.
Papa.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for having me call.
Oh, where they are me answer.
Me am Martin, Papa, I could see a good no, I know I will be visa one to link up.
Okay.
No crane, and it's a long master for very more.
Okay.
Then it's a program, and
okay.
It's for TV out in the channel.
Amen.
And I go from one by and no more than a man that was just by my.
Amen.
Munkomo nano pe. Kaya kuja pesa. Edio. Edini.
Come on now. That's right.
So do akuma. Ama bi every bread ni wabebri semu ni maji akuma mfita.
That's right.
Spending on obi. Edu real shame.
That's
right. Now all of a sudden we do mosala. Papa egg didn't say the Germanaka. The child just said Germanaka. It was a thinking.
Right.
So, grievances, you can grieve. But for how long? So, any part you're watching, you will be doing that much. Is that what I know your friend?
Yeah.
And you have to meet a person. Not just if you're a patch on one day, a managing director. That time, the book you need to pay the Jamaica. Rhapsody, the American Sam, and I see see that the night I'm over. Hey, you are you need your pay. Such a thing how to be a thing that is okay. Yeah, a friend, a political policy. No, you can't hear to me with your politics. You know,